So we're gonna do a get ready with me again. I'm going to continue giving my eyelids a break until I am certain there's no chance of a bad outcome. I'm going to begin with the Tatcha, this one, the Balm Primer. I want perfect looking skin since I can't have a fantastic eye. I'm gonna use my finger. I don't know why I'm bothering. Today I'm working a job where I'm gonna have to wear a mask. And my eyes will be the only thing that's showing. And they're gonna look like a noobie, a noobster. Oh well, I'll start out looking pretty anyway, right? All right. I think I'm gonna use the Even Better Refresh. My beauty blender is not wet. That's why I chose this. Because this goes on fine with a brush. This is the Goss 01 foundation brush. I like it because it's little and you can control the application. It doesn't the foundation doesn't end up on places that are unintentional. All right, let's do a brow. I'm going to use my Embark pen, and I'm going to, I don't have time to play with the Kiko pen today. I'm not sure I'm qualified to play with that. So I'm going downtown. I'm going to be at a location on King Street. I know, it's right by the Sephora. It's exciting, right? And the Urban Outfitters and the, what other, Lululemon, but I'm not gonna shop at Lululemon because they said something stupid. Not only that, I don't need any fancy workout clothes because I'm not going to the gym anymore. When the mask wearing is over, if it's ever over, I still am not going to renew my gym membership. I need my workouts to be more flexible than that. I was going to a bar class and I can't get symmetric today. And you know, because it's a class, it's at a certain time. And now I've discovered that I like to go do my walk when I've finished, when I'm at a stopping point, a breaking point in my work day. And it's not always at the same, you know. I can't get my brows right today. I'm gonna have to stay home. I'm annoyed. That was the Kiko pen. I spend the most of the time on the front of my brows because the front of my brows are missing. I do not know why. Well, I had them right and I messed them up again. All right, let's move on before I have a temper tantrum. Let's do the Benefit Brow Gel. I put it on generously. All right, I'm gonna do underbrow highlight. This part of my eye is not irritated. All right, let's do under eye. I'm gonna use the Clinique Black Intense. That's not as black as I was hoping for. Those outside corners on the top were itching, so I'm not going to put anything up there. That's a pretty color right there. What is that? Brown script. I repainted my fingernails this morning. So how many of you use a base coat when you paint your nails? I changed my mind. I decided I was going to put shadow on the top too, also. So do you use I used a base, the point is I used a base coat today. A grippy base coat under this black polish. So maybe that'll keep it from chipping when I look at it. I didn't throw it away. I was going to throw it away because it made me so mad last time. But I didn't, thank goodness, because I didn't buy another black polish. And I wanted to wear black today. So this is the Clinique liner in Black Intense or Intense Black. It's not very intense. Is that called a misnomer? Well, if it's not, it should be. Okay, and then I'm going to take this brown script and smooch it around. And that's going to be my look for today. Take some of this too. What is this one called? This one is called Twinks. This is my old MAC palette that I'm playing in. And then I'm going to take the color Coppering. So it's turning into a full eye look. I hope I don't pay for this. I wonder if some cortisone would break this up if I put cortisone over the top of my eyeshadow. There we go. Now let's do some Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Here it is. And I'm going to use my F64 Soft Blend Concealer Brush. So yesterday I used this. It's the Tony Moly Luminous Goddess Aura Perfume Face Makeup Mist. And it made my cheekbones really shiny. I loved it. It's more coppering. All right, I'm tired of messing with the stupid mascara that's not. Let's do Tom Ford mascara. Wow, my eyelashes have returned to the skimpy place they were before I stopped, before I used the eyelash serum. They look sad. I'm not going to glue any lashes on today though. That would really be pushing the envelope. This is the Tom Ford Badass Mascara. It's not very badass today. Okie dokie. Yeah, that eyeliner from Clinique is not very black. Very disappointed. That was a waste of money. I'm not going to put anything on my tight line because I want to be able to see today. Since I'm going to be putting makeup on other people. That's more coppering. I'm fading it up on the... So here's how I did that super highlighted cheeks yesterday. I think I'm going to put a highlighter on first. And I liked the Sunset Glow as that from Clinique. So first I'm going to put a highlighter on. Do y'all want to know what the lip is? I'll share that in a minute. I'm going to take the Sunset Glow and put it here too. Okay, so take my sponge. The Moly. Moly. Did I get it? I need a dibby dab more. The prism is prisming again. So the lip is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner with Fenty Fussy. And I ended up putting the Pillow Talk eyeliner on my waterline too. And the reason is I noticed when I was putting it on my lips that it set up and it wouldn't budge. And I said, bonus. That was formulated to go on the waterline because it's not moving, which is awesome. Okay, where is, here it is, my lash comb. I have some lashes that need combing. There, that's better. I have some nude lipstick. There. And that's that. I'm going to work on my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna work on my hair and I'm gonna put my outfit on and I'll come back and show you my hair and my outfit of the day.